Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a stunning example of a Range Rover Sport in stock. This one in particular, it's not an engine you see every day. It's a 3-litre petrol. So it's a P400, 400 brake horsepower under that bonnet. So fantastic engine, drives absolutely fantastic, and is a HSE. The brilliant specification on this car. We've got Fuji White as the colour and the contrasting black accents right round the car. So black lettering, black grille, surround sensors and that more aggressive style body kit. We've got 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, again with the red brake calipers for that sportier feel on the car. We've got fixed side steps on this vehicle, which are actually retailing about £2,000 now, believe it or not. Privacy glass on this one, and we've actually got the sliding panoramic roof, which we'll show you when we jump inside. Now we've got a fully powered electric tailgate, really good size boot, air suspension so we can lower or raise the vehicle, and underneath we've actually got some additional storage space as well. Looking into the rear, that's where we don't see this interior too often. I think it looks really well on Range Rover Sport. We call this the caraway interior. So it's a tan interior. We do have the full leather here with the contrasting Alcantara on these seats. With it being a HSE, we do actually have heated rear seats, and we've even got Meridian speakers in this car, which sound absolutely fantastic. Now, keyless entry on the car as well, memory seats. We've got lots of nice finishes, including this kind of aluminium carbon fibre sort of looking finisher in the door cards and on the dashboard. Electrically adjustable steering wheel, keyless start stop, and a digital dashboard which reads 29,624 miles. So we're within its infancy for a car like this of its age, particularly. Navigation Pro up top, so navigation, media, phone connectivity on the car as well. Most importantly, we do have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on this car as well, but really easy to use. We've even got this bottom screen here, so it does use luxury all right around the car. Climate controls, seat controls, including our heated seat. Of course, being Range Rover Sport, we've got all of our different driving modes, including our dynamic / sport mode, which we can use the rotary dial to adjust. We've got air suspension, cup holders. Again, you will see this really nice finisher between the two front seats, but we've got storage space right around the car. In between the two front seats, we've got some additional storage there, connectivity points. But again, just what I highlighted outside, we do actually have a sliding panoramic roof on this one. So it opens right up, makes the car feel even more spacious than it already is. So again, this is a P400 Range Rover Sport, finished off in Fuji White. If you do have any further questions on this car, my name's Sam. You can give us a shout on 01642 644 444. Thank you.